Hey everyone! Today I have a story for you that's all about love, sacrifice and destiny. It's called Unbreakable Bonds, a love story that defies time. Let's dive right into it. Chris and Tracy were inseparable. Their days were filled with laughter, stolen kisses and dreams of a bright future. They were each other's rock, no matter what life threw their way. When Tracy found out they were expecting a baby, their joy was boundless. "This child will be the greatest proof of our love," Chris whispered, holding Tracy close. They named their unborn son Chris, a symbol of their beautiful bond. Every night they dreamed of raising him together, watching his first steps, hearing his first words, building a family filled with love. But fate had other plans. Just before Chris was born, Tracy was forced to leave. No warning, no explanation, just a painful, whispered promise. Chris was devastated but held on to hope. Days turned into months and months into years. Chris grew up hearing bedtime stories about Tracy, the love that never faded, the parent who would one day return. As time passed, doubt crept in. Would Tracy ever come back? Had love truly been enough? Kofix, their child, was now old enough to ask questions. "Where is Tracy? Did they stop loving us?" Kofix asked. Chris held back tears and smiled. "Love never disappears, my child. Sometimes life takes people away, but it always finds a way to bring them back." Kofix believed in that promise. Every birthday, every shooting star, every wish made on a candle, Kofix asked for just one thing, for their family to be whole again. One evening, as the golden sunset bathed their home in warm light, there was a knock at the door. Chris's heart pounded. Was it possible? Slowly, they opened the door, and there stood Tracy, eyes filled with love, tears streaming down their face. "I never stopped loving you," Tracy whispered, voice trembling. "I never wanted to leave. I fought every single day to come back to you both." Chris and Kofix stood frozen, emotions crashing over them like waves. After all these years, the moment had finally come. Kofix, now older, stepped forward first. "Are you really here?" Tracy knelt down, reaching out with shaking hands. "Yes, my love, and I'm never leaving again." With a soft cry, Kofix ran into Tracy's arms, holding on as if afraid they would disappear again. Chris joined them, wrapping their arms around the love of their life and the child they had raised alone. The past no longer mattered. The pain, the distance, the years lost, they all melted away in that moment. All that remained was love. Asterisk. Some love stories don't end. They bend, they break, but they always find their way back, stronger than before. To be continued. Subscribe, follow, share, and watch out for part 3.